That's what I tried. My results. I hope they're good. Cause baby, I don't got in the mood where I don't even cook. I feel this shit. I feel like they're banging. I'm gonna cook this steak. I'm just probably eat the steak. Anything you want to do in life, don't give up. Cause I almost thought I couldn't make this, but I went home and did the damn thing. And it might not be the best, but I did it. But I did it though. I ain't be like, fuck it. I went home and tried it. My bad. Okay, so I'm doing, but look at my steak. I'm gonna eat this by itself. How this finna be, y'all, but I'm finna see. So you clean the con off.
Right there.
Tasia, put that grease down. The grease.
Oh, because you said turn it down.
I said the grease. Put that grease down now. Ain't that counting? Ain't that counting? What did you do different?
What'd you say?
Water. It good, didn't it? It's still nappy as hell.
Well, it's just water.
I don't know why you wetting that rag.
Because I need to wet the counter.
There's a rag right there.
I just said it right here.
See, the only thing about these are bigger than Sierra's on, but Sierra didn't put a lot of meat and stuff in her. She put just a little bit. That's what I put. I put a lot of meat in mine. But, I mean, they look alright to me. I don't know what y'all think. See, my cousin, she use a lot in hers. You know what I'm saying? Let me show you real quick. Steak. Empanadas. See, my cousin, she ain't use a lot. She ain't use a lot of, she did not use a lot of meat in her stuff. You know what I'm saying? She did not. That's what she didn't do. And this steak, I just want some steak. I haven't had no steak in a while, so yeah. Yep. I don't know what I was doing. I know I'm tired and overwhelmed. Oh yeah. Cooking some steak. Oh, I like this one a little too much. So y'all look at them. Oh my God, y'all, I cannot believe I did this. The first time, I did alright. I did alright. For the first time in forever. So what I'm gonna do with my grease, just in case I want to use it tomorrow, I'm gonna put that bit up because I want to do some shrimps. But I'm a little tired tonight. So I'm gonna just place that bitch in the oven. You know what I'm saying? Make sure all the burners are off. Everything is off. Y'all look at it. Don't ask me which one is which. So when they bite into it and they try to figure out, let they ass figure it out. But I wanted to cook enough because I was super tired. So yeah, that's that. When I get tired, I get lazy. Cut the steak. I don't want to do nothing. But thank y'all for liking and subscribing and being on here with me while I cook the steak. I'm so tired. Sometimes you just be like, fuck. That's just how I feel right now. Like, fuck, I'm tired. JJ, I think you just deaf or you don't listen. Get your ass out here. That's what it is. That's what you gotta do. You know what's best for you. You was told to clean this stuff up, not just place it in the sink. Put this in the garbage. Damn, Luma fall up. Pick that Rice Krispie treat up. Tell Monte don't take his ass in my room eating no food.
Monte.
You could have told him that.
My mom said do not go in there eating.
feeling that body hurt, I just want to sit down and rest my nerves. I'm done cooking for the night. So yeah, steak is done. Somebody went got there. They'll eat it. Trust me. These are done. That's that. Alright, thank you for liking and subscribing. I am out. We are out. We're done for the night. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Don't forget to love yourself. Put God first. Respect yourself. Humble yourself. Know that you are more than what anybody feel or think about you. Good night.